Our alarm clock is a good example of physics in action, as it has chemical energy from the batteries converting to electrical energy to operate the alarm clock, which then turns to sound energy to make noise and light energy to light the display.
Shit. I'm an hour late to physics class. Do I have to go?
We see another great example of physics in action when we do something as simple as standing and walking, due to the fact that when we push our foot against the ground with a force, the ground has an equal but opposite reaction in order to allow us to stand and walk. This is an example of Newton's third law of motion. However, if we don't do some work and use the energy that we have to clean our room, we may just trip over something and come straight to the ground because of gravity.
What a start!
Physics continues even when we're doing something like brushing our teeth, as the toothbrush bristles have friction against our teeth as we're brushing to allow us to clean the bacteria. Now that we're ready to go, it's time to make some coffee to get energy for the class. In order to make my coffee, I would need to bring a pot of water to a boil, which is an example of physics that we did not look into in class too much. This is thermodynamics, which involves heat, which is the energy that is transferred by a difference in temperature, and convection, which is the transfer of heat through a fluid caused by molecular motion. Now that we're ready and have all of our energy for class, it's time to head out. A majority of us drive our cars to class, which has many examples of physics involved.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Our car starts from rest, then the torque and energy in our motor gives us acceleration, because of this acceleration, our car would have velocity, which would remain until we either decelerate from braking or, in unfortunate case scenarios, crash. Physics grants us one positive aspect of this unfortunate situation of car accidents, and that is we would have many ways of investigating what happened due to the laws that we've discovered in our past. The tires on our car are what do most of the work while we drive. The rubber has friction to cement, which allows us to grip to the road and accelerate. This acceleration occurs due to the centripetal acceleration of our wheels. Physics is present in almost everything we do in life. These are just some of the basic concepts that we have reviewed in first semester physics that allow us to get up and get going for the day to go and learn more ideas from our amazing teacher Nancy.